we customize basically everything in here. I mean, the countertops, the flooring, the fabric, even some of the layout options, like the actual cabinets themselves.
One of the things that we did customize was Escape has a relationship with a graphic artist, and she made the graphics of our trailer very customized to our unique desires. And we have a German Shepherd, and so we sent her pictures of our German Shepherd, and I don't know if you can see, but she added little silhouettes of our German Shepherd puppy all around the trailer, which makes it unique to us, and it really does stand out. In addition to that, the brown tone graphics kind of complement my truck, and which is also brown. So it looks like it's all supposed to be this way. And the other thing that my wife did was she went on the build sheet and we picked out the flooring and we picked out the cushion colors. And what else did you pick out that was on the build sheet that was
Everything
customized?
that's inside the trailer I picked out. I mean, from floor to ceiling, literally.
Jennifer from your company worked with me, and she was amazing. I call her the magic maker because everything you see here was her saying, have I got it? Is this really representing the orcas? And she just, well, look at it. It's just stunning. She did all that, and she was so patient and so wonderful to work with.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Because I went around all of the exhibitors looking for a way to make this more accessible. And on the third day, that's when Carl Kenny came and said, I'm going to build your trailer, and this is what we're going to do. And I was shocked.
Yeah.
And as soon as Carl Kenny said that, I was sold.